greatest discovery was also the greatest mistake we have ever made. It began with a signal, not a message, not a voice, just a strange pattern hidden in the endless noise of the universe. In 2057, astronomers detected an unusual transmission coming from a distant region of space nearly 4,000 light-years away. At first, nobody paid much attention. The universe is full of mysterious signals, and most of them eventually turn out to be natural phenomena. But this one was different. Every 11 minutes and 11 seconds, the signal returned, perfectly, no matter where Earth was in its orbit, no matter which telescope observed it. For 30 years, the signal repeated with impossible precision. Scientists around the world tried to decode it. They searched for mathematical patterns, hidden languages, even signs of artificial intelligence. They found nothing. Until one scientist asked a question nobody else had thought to ask. What if the signal wasn't repeating? What if it was changing? After analyzing decades of data, astrophysicist Elena Varga discovered microscopic variations hidden inside the transmission. Variations so small that they had gone unnoticed for 30 years. And when she mapped those variations, she realized something horrifying. The signal wasn't repeating. It was counting down. Governments immediately classified the discovery. International scientific organizations held emergency meetings. Several researchers involved in the project resigned within days, because according to the calculations, the countdown would end on September 14, 2087. Nobody knew what would happen. Some believed it was a warning. Others believed it was an invitation. But when the day finally arrived, humanity learned something even more terrifying. At exactly 3:11 UTC, after repeating for 30 years, the signal suddenly stopped. For 17 minutes, the universe remained silent. No transmission, no explanation, nothing. Humanity should have accepted the silence. Instead, we answered. Using the most powerful communication systems ever built, we transmitted a simple message into the darkness. Who are you? Nobody expected a response. After all, the original signal had come from thousands of light years away. Even if someone had received our message, a reply would take millennia. But 21 days later, every deep space observatory on Earth detected a new transmission. The message contained only 2 words: "We know." Panic spread immediately. A response after 21 days was impossible, unless the signal had never come from 4,000 light years away. Telescopes across the world were redirected toward the source. What they found changed everything. Hidden at the edge of our solar system was a dark object, nearly the size of Earth's moon. It emitted no heat, no light, no radiation, and yet, there it was, waiting. Further analysis revealed something even worse. The object wasn't natural. Its surface contained perfect geometric structures, artificial patterns, and enormous engineered formations. It had been inside our solar system for thousands of years, watching us, waiting for us. Then, exactly 3 weeks after humanity answered the signal, it moved, slowly, deliberately, as if something inside it had finally awakened. Hours later, a final transmission arrived. 4 words. 4 words that changed humanity forever. We thought you were gone. And for the first time in human history, we realized something truly terrifying. We were never searching for them. They were waiting for us.